from start to finish egress window. This is how we started the installation of this 48x48 egress window. This is all about precision, safety, and long-term performance. The first step in this project is excavation, and as you can see, it takes time. We spend time carefully digging out the area to create enough space for a proper installation. The excavation is complete, we move on to measuring and marking the area. Careful measurements will lead to a clean cut. We add a gravel layer to create a stable, level base in this work area, which helps control the environment before opening up the wall.
This also helps keep the area cleaner and safer, while providing drainage in the well.
Less shifting soil, better footing, and more control while cutting into the foundation wall.
Here is where the cutting begins.
We start by cutting along the bottom of the marked wall. We then cut both sides of the marked opening, carefully maintaining distance from the top line of the existing window. Every cut is done with precision to create a clean opening while maintaining the integrity of the foundation wall. From there, we begin cleaning up the corners along the layout using a concrete chainsaw.
The combination of the circular saw and chainsaw will ensure precise cuts with controlled and accurate results.
This maintains the integrity of the foundation you're looking to upgrade your basement and add real value to your home, an egress window is one of the smartest investments you can make. Bringing in natural light, safety, and functionality.
Here is where we push the concrete out.
We start cleaning up the rest of the wall before the window is installed. We are measuring the opening for the window rough-in. We start installing pressure-treated wood frames onto the concrete to create a proper rough opening. Measurement here will create the tight, moisture-free finish after installation. We are setting the window, leveling it, and sealing it. Proper sealing is key to making sure this system performs through all seasons.
Get your egress window installed. Call today for a free inspection.
The end result is more natural light, a safe emergency exit, and backed by our 3-year warranty.
Ready to upgrade your basement? Contact Pier for a free estimate.